Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to convert our Python file to the exe file. But before that, I want to tell you something that I have made some changes in the code. Like if I say exit to Jarvis, but still it is listening. He is listening. So to improve this, I made a variable listening which is equals to false. Okay, and to exit properly, I have written os.exit with this way. And also one correction is this and is here, not or. Okay, these are some changes, and also a changes here if listening before for loop. So it will only enter when it is listening, and that's it. We are ready to convert our Python file. So let's go to the Chrome and search this website or any other website you can search because we are going to download icon for our file. Let's say I am searching any like star. Okay, so you will get so many icons are here. See, and with the gradient colors as well. So you can download any, like I am going to download this one png, and free download. See, it is downloading and it's done. Now go to the website, any website which convert your PNG to ICO file. I will provide both links in the description box. And now choose that file which I have recently downloaded, that is star. Open. Now convert, download, it's done. See, start to type. Okay, now back to your code. Just you need now to convert your Python file to executable file. So see, this is the folder which contains my all the files. So I am going to copy its path. Now go straight to your terminal. First of all, you need to pip install PyInstaller. So it is already downloaded here, which is why it is saying already satisfied. Now just follow what I am saying. Okay. After downloading the path we have copied, write cd space string under the string, paste the path and string close, then enter. Then write dir, enter directories. It will show all the file consist in that path. And now it's time to write PyInstaller space hyphen one file space hyphen windowed, because I don't want console. Otherwise, you can skip this one window if you want console. Then hyphen icon equals to what? Like in my file, my icon is ai.ico. ai.ico. And remember, you need to put that ICO file in that directory, in the file desktop assistant. Okay, these all contains in the same file. Otherwise, you will not able to convert. Now it's done. Now space. My main file from which I am calling, that is Jarvis, jarvis.py. Now enter. See, it's converting and build complete. The results are available. Okay, so let's go straight to check. See, in this destination folder, we have our Jarvis executable file, and we are going to file task manager, file manager to access this file. And now we are going to copy it to the desktop. Okay, done. Now going straight to the desktop. Okay, now I'm executing all the extra program. Okay, see, now double click. Jarvis, Jarvis, Jarvis.
Hello.
Open YouTube.
Opening. Ready for the next command.
Scroll up.
Scrolling. Anything else?
Search AI. Search AI.
Searching.
Scroll down.
Scrolling. What else can I do for you?
Close YouTube. Close YouTube.
Closing. Done.
Take screenshot. Take screenshot.
Taking screenshot. Screenshot saved. What else can I do for you?
Increase volume.
Increasing volume. What else can I do for you?
Decrease volume. Decrease volume.
Decreasing volume.
Now increase brightness.
Sorry. I couldn't listen. Please say again.
Increase brightness. Increase brightness.
Okay, tell brightness level from 1 to 100.
70. 70.
Brightness has been set. Ready for the
Mute.
next command.
Mute. Mute, please.
Muted.
Unmute, please.
Anything else?
Unmute, please.
Muted. What else can I do for you? Sorry. I couldn't listen. Please say again.
Okay. Exit. Exit.
Goodbye.
Okay, done. See. Here he says our screenshot, and you can see, guys, it's working. So our project is completed now, and I will be back with Jarvis 2.0.